Very good, my friends. In today's video we are going to review the DJI OSMO 2. This gimbal came in this storage that is very important because it's going to allow us to transport it from one side to the other side without breaking the gimbal. Look, it's very foamy. You can hit it, there is no problem. And look what we have here. I'm going to explain you how to set up the gimbal and how to use all the functionalities you have available with the OSMO 2. Okay, the first thing you have to do when you get your gimbal is that to set the mobile phone, you have to do like this. You open and set the mobile phone centered. And now we have to adjust the gimbal to balance the mobile phone. Without the gimbal started, we have to balance for the mobile phone like this. We have to find the position where it gets balanced in the middle. Okay, like this. Now we close the screw. Okay, this is very important. To start the gimbal, you have to put the mobile phone first. Don't start the gimbal without the mobile phone or you can damage the gimbal. Okay, we press here we hold for a few seconds and the gimbal starts like this. You don't need to have the application running to use the gimbal. You can use it like this. Basic functionalities we have here. We have here this joystick that we can use. Okay, I'm going to put the camera now in the mobile phone. Okay, look at the image, how steady it is. If I move to one side, the gimbal moves the image very softly. And with this, I can point to one side, up, to the left, or to the right, like this. Very easy. You can use the gimbal without the DJI Pro application, but the DJI Pro application has some functionalities very interesting. We are going to start the application right now. I have installed the application here. Okay, press here to connect the OSMO Mobile 2. We press there. Okay, look, and okay, this is the application of the OSMO 2. Now it's not connected. We are going to press the Bluetooth mode. We connect to the gimbal. Okay, here we have the tutorial. We press ready. The first thing that us has to do is to do like this. Okay, look at the mobile phone, is very steady. And now that is connected, we can zoom the image directly from the gimbal. I'm pressing here the gimbal, zoom out. We can start the video recording from here, pressing the button. Okay, now we are recording. The button. Okay, now we are recording. And if we press the M 2 times, we change the mode. Now the gimbal is set to this point. I can move it and always is pointing to the same side. We press again 2 times and we change the mode back to this mode. We press 2 times and look, always is pointing the same side. 2 times and it's free now and it's making softer or movements with the mobile phone. Okay, now we are going to put on test the gimbal. I'm going to record the same video with the gimbal and without the gimbal. Okay, I press the record button right now. Now you've seen the difference. It's not amazing what I have done here. You will find the link to the product in the description of the video. And remember, subscribe right now to this video. But we are going to continue. We are going to try harder. Now with the bike. Let's see how the gimbal works with the bicycle. And we are going to see another very interesting feature of the gimbal. You will see. Let's go. You can record in two modes, but you can swap to the Instagram mode. You roll this thing here, and now this is free. Remove the mobile phone. Now we change like this. We put the mobile phone here. You have to balance again the mobile phone. So you have to get this thing here, like this, balanced like this. Okay. We start now the gimbal, and now I can record a history for the Instagram. I'm recording the review of the Osmo 2. Now that my mobile phone is stabilized by the Osmo 2 from DJI. I'm recording the review of the Osmo 2. Now that my mobile phone is stabilized by the Osmo 2 from DJI. And we stop recording. And now I have the story for the Instagram. This is a very interesting device. I really like it. I use it in the last videos. But now I have the GoPro Hero 7 that also have a stabilization. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.